my YouTube learners. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very great. और I am back with another video जहाँ पर हम फिर से कुछ नया सीखने वाले हैं, जहाँ पर फिर से हम अपनी इंग्लिश को एक एज देंगे. Yes. आज की वीडियो बहुत ज्यादा लंबी नहीं होगी. आज की वीडियो में मैं बहुत कम टाइम स्पैन में आपको कुछ 20 सेंटेंसेस बताऊंगी. एंड यस, ये 20 सेंटेंसेस आपकी स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश में बहुत ज्यादा हेल्पफुल हो सकते हैं. So, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Without delaying, let's quickly start. First, I'm going to tell you the basic English and afterwards, I'm going to tell you the advanced version of that. Me too. So am I. I'm leaving. I'm off. I'm going to bed. I'm off to bed. Good luck. Break a leg. Stop wasting time. Stop goofing around. Give it a try. Give it a shot. I like your shoes. I like your kicks. I'm hungry. I'm pissed off. Leave me alone. Give me a break. Are you mad? Are you out of mind? Start again. Start over. Open the door. Answer the door. Come back. Hurry back. Try to understand. Read between the lines. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. Don't lose your temper. Keep your shirt on. I'm hungry. I'm famished. Or I'm starving. Wait. Hold your horses. He is so talented. He is a natural. He has no money. He's broke. She's so rich. She's loaded. I agree. I'm on the same page. So this was all about today's video. I hope you liked all the sentences that I presented today in front of you. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. And yes, do not forget to tell me which sentence was your favorite. So see you in next video. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.